to take a look at our lineup of Kubota skid steers, now in stock here at Newfoundland Kubota on Kenmount Road, also at our store at Harvey & Company in Corner Brook. These models come in two configurations, the SSV 65 and the SSV 75. 65 horsepower and 75 horsepower machines. Hand controls, foot controls, whichever you like. We have them in stock with nice Kubota feature is the slide up front door, like you see on an excavator. So the door doesn't swing open, you don't get stuck inside. If your bucket is halfway up in the air, you get out. Most of our skid steers come with the KSR system, which is Kubota's Shockless Ride, which is a smooth ride system, accumulator system, which takes the bounce away from the operator so it doesn't feel as rough to the operator when going over rough terrain. These are equipped with Kubota's own diesel engines. Some of them have the street light packages. Okay. Vertical lift, which allows you to pull up right to a truck when your bucket is down low. And when you're right next to the truck, you can lift that bucket straight up, and it doesn't shift outwards towards the truck like a radial arm skid steer does. So you won't hit the side of the truck when loading, and you don't have to worry about moving any unnecessary distances and risk losing your load. As you can see, these are equipped with the hydraulic quick coupler system. We have the high flow hydraulics and plenty of stock to choose from. Kubota skid steers start at just over $50,000 for all these Tier 4 final engine machines. 3-year warranty and 0% financing for up to 72 months. Why don't you give us a call at 738-8911 or drop by and see us. Have a good day.